about some Friday fun with Top That Trade? Joining us for our trader game, Bill Flynn, a Fox Business News contributor, and Alan Nuckman, the chief market strategist at BullseyeOption.com. Good to have you both here. Round number one, grade 8. There are 8 S&P stocks that analysts say could have a 50% rebound on the list: PayPal, Meta, and Netflix. What are you about to buy for a rebound?
Well, I like their methodology. They picked 8 stocks that have fallen 50% and that the analysts still all have a majority buy recommendation on. So the one that I liked is, you mentioned PayPal dropped from 300 down to 100. Also a stock that's seen some pain I like is Uber. So Uber's been between 30 and 40 here in 2022. That's 50% off its highs. I think that stock can make a comeback.
Poor Uber, now the drivers get to charge more because of the gasoline surcharge, which makes that a little tougher. But I have been a big believer in PayPal, mentioned it on the show here before. They're in the crypto space. I have a long way to go on the upside. I like that. One that I don't know if it's on that list, but I really like is Ralph Lauren. It's looking really good right now because they don't have as much exposure to China. So those are 2 stocks that were really beaten up that I like.
Round number 2, BOT time. BOT stands for blow off top in crude and gold. What do you behold in commodities?
I like both gold and crude oil. And even though we had a quote unquote blow off top, if you really look at the charts, what we saw was an anomaly of the longer term trend. And what I mean by that is when you look at the price of crude, it's been in this long upturn channel. And then all of a sudden we had the war in Ukraine and prices spiked up and everybody goes, oh my gosh, we're going to 3,000. They stop at 130 and then they pull back. But if you look at where they pulled back, they got back into the same upward channel. The fundamentals haven't changed. Yeah, the fundamentals haven't changed, and we're still on an uptrend. So I like them both. Gold,
we're back to the breakout in both gold and oil. So now this is probably an area to be looking to see if this stabilizes as another base for another upward leg. But it's interesting that we didn't see a capitulation in stocks. Stocks have actually drifted higher, and you've seen the S&P break out of its downside wedge here, and it's been more than 3 weeks. We're going on 3 weeks here since those lows. But you did see capitulation in crude and gold for now, so that's very much a positive for stocks here in the near term.
Round number 3, cheap China. Downtrodden Chinese stocks made a gigantic jump this week on news that regulators from the U.S. and China are making progress on listing Chinese stocks. Pick a play for more of a pop.
I personally think I'd stay away from China right now. I think there's high regulatory risk, the possibility of sanctions. So I'd ease off. I'd feel better in European stocks. Maybe an overall, just a stock index from Europe. I would feel more comfortable there. Right now, I'd stay away from China. Now, listen, there's a lot of upside potential if the world calms down. So if you want to be risky, you can do that. But if you're less adventurous adventure, I'd stay away.
Well, I'm an options trader, so I have limited risk to whatever the options premium when I'm buying options, and I'm buying in-the-money calls. So looking at these stocks, we've had some big moves across the board. BABA, Webull, JD.com, and TME. Now, TME is only a $4 stock. It's dropped from 30 down to 3. The one I like the best, I think, is WB. It's been between 30 and 35. It looks like it's getting some legs here. So I think these have been down so hard at some point. It's about risk reward, and that's what I like at these levels.
Here's your bonus round question for today. What record did Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway achieve this week? Is it A, bought a record amount of Apple shares, B, Berkshire shares traded above $500,000, or C, Warren Buffett became the biggest billionaire ever?
I think the first one.
I've been wanting to say for a long time, the one with most zeros wins. So I'm going to say the second one.
The answer is B. Shares traded above $500,000. Wow, Alan. Winner, winner, chicken dinner 2 weeks in a row. Great job on your winning streak. Guys, love having you on the show, Business First AM. We'll be right back.